Top 7 Essay Topics About Pandemic. The SARS, how can the pandemic be prevented? This essay could explore the prevention strategies for pandemics, using the SARS outbreak as a case study. Why is early detection so vital? What is the role of global collaboration? What public health steps can stop the spread of contagious illnesses? Duties of healthcare professionals during pandemic of highly contagious diseases. The role of healthcare professionals during pandemics cannot be underestimated. We propose you focus your essay on the exact duties they perform to manage and mitigate the impact of contagious disease outbreaks. Here, you can mention diagnosis, treatment, and containment efforts. Besides, you may highlight the importance of ethical decision-making and effective communication with the public. Getting prepared for a pandemic. You can start this essay by defining a pandemic and describing the potential consequences of being unprepared. Further, you may emphasize the importance of proactive measures to reduce the impact of outbreaks. Finally, summarize the key components of effective individual, community, institutional, and international pandemic preparedness. Pandemic influenza, Spanish flu, and swine flu. During the 20th and 21st centuries, people experienced several deadly influenza pandemics. We propose you concentrate on two of them, Spanish and swine flu. Analyze their historical context, consequences, and lessons learned. Also, you may explain how these experiences can help formulate current pandemic response strategies and public health policies. The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on violent behavior. The recent outbreak of coronavirus has had an enormous effect on people all over the world. The lockdown many countries enforced prevented the virus's spread but caused changes in violent behavior. Your paper could provide a detailed investigation of these changes. Examine factors such as social isolation, economic stress, and mental health implications. Highlight the importance of addressing these issues in pandemic response plans. The importance of telehealth practices during the pandemic. In this essay, we suggest defining telehealth and its significance in providing healthcare services remotely. Next, introduce the context of the pandemic and how it has accelerated the adoption of telehealth practices. Furthermore, you can describe the key benefits of telehealth during the pandemic and emphasize its importance for improved accessibility and patient care. Nursing work stress level during pandemics. Nurses experience heightened levels of stress during pandemics. Longer work hours, higher patient loads, and the physical toll of continuous care lead to fatigue and burnout. Emotional stressors, like high patient mortality rates and fear of personal exposure, also impact nurses' mental health. In your essay, we recommend highlighting the stressors nurses experience and underlining the significance of recognizing and addressing them.